Hey everyone, it's Gary B from the Wildfire Kitchen and welcome to our recipe for dirty steak. So if you see here, what we've got is 28-day Aberdeen Angus steaks. Okay, and we're going to be seasoning that with a little bit of olive oil. Now we're going to be cooking these dirty style, which means straight onto the coals of the barbecue. So what we've done is we've set up the barbecue just here. Okay, a quick blow just to get the worst of the ash off, and then this is what dirty style steaks means. You lay them straight onto the embers of the coals. Okay. The trick with these is not to season the steaks too much before you put them straight onto the coals. You season them as you turn them. And we're going to be seasoning them today with just a bit of a homemade mix. So we've got some SPG here, that's salt, pepper and garlic. We're going to use to season the steaks with when we turn. So we're about ready to start turning these steaks over now. It's a little bit warm. Okay, so now that the steaks have been turned over, you can see there's a nice crust on those. I'm just going to season them up with some of the SPG and give them another minute or so, a minute or two on the other side, and then take them out to rest. Okay, so these steaks should be good to go. So we're just going to take them off and let them rest whilst we get the rest of the meal together. Okay, so still just a little bit pink inside, a little bit pink and blushing, which is good. How we like our steaks. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells so good. Can't wait to get into this. So we're ready to go. It's just a little bit of Dijon mustard. So there we have it, the Wildfire Dirty Steak, perfect choice for your next barbecue. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll be back with more recipes soon.